The Madison Police Department is formally partnering with a transportation service to take people in emergency detainment to a mental health institute. Chloe Morrissey has you covered on how this partnership aims to make involuntary hospitalizations less stressful for both officers and patients.
It's hugely important for us to be able to serve people at their most vulnerable times.
MPD secured $100,000 from the Madison Common Council to work with Ready Transports, a behavioral health and prisoner transport service based out of Green Bay.
Our vision is revolutionizing the standard in secure transports and behavioral safety solutions.
This service transports patients to Winnebago Mental Health Institute, where they're stabilized and treated on a larger scale than local hospitals in Madison.
The department reports it sees nearly 300 emergency detainments every year. 3 out of 4 of those resulting in transport to Winnebago. So they say this partnership was much needed.
Sergeant Jared Prado says that having officers transport people to mental health facilities places an even larger workload on the department.
This was an opportunity to keep more of our officers in the city and available for calls for service.
Winnebago Mental Health Institute is about a 4-hour round-trip drive from Madison. This is on top of what Sergeant Prado says are, on average, 20-hour investigations, with at least 2 officers on call, gathering evidence, talking to witnesses, and securing medical clearance from a local hospital before a patient can even be transferred out. Officers say they appreciate being able to stay in Madison now and have another party take on the transports.
It's us policing smarter, not harder.
Ready Transport's owner and president, Crystal Cook, explains the service also has benefits for patients.
I think there's that stigma attached to a law enforcement response, and we help to mitigate that stigma.
Ready drivers wear everyday clothes and don't look like law enforcement, which is meant to make the ride less stressful for patients. Cook says they're also trained in the same de-escalation techniques as police officers. In Madison, Chloe Morrissey, 27 News.